Take two, action.
So, one of the surprising ways to increase the qi in your home is actually the electronics that you already have in your home. So you already have some adjustments there. Things like televisions and computers and stereos, they use energy to work, right? You plug them in, or they have batteries, which are forms of energy. And they can raise the qi in your home. Either you're enjoying the program that you watch, or you're listening to music that you like, or you're working on something that's important to you with your computer. You do, though, need to be careful about the EMFs, the electromagnetic frequencies that are given off of things like televisions and anything that you plug in. Sometimes they can be harmful to you and your health. So if you're concerned about that, there are professionals that you can consult, and they can come in with a meter and test the amount of EMFs that are in your home, or either produced from power plants or other things that are around your environment. So you do need to be careful about that, and use everything in moderation. But let's turn some music on just to show you how the atmosphere in what you're looking at right now is going to affect the qi in your home. Hopefully you're listening to music that you like, and it probably makes you happy, so that's going to increase your personal qi.